Step-by-step beginner makeup tutorial. You will learn face makeup, baking, contouring, blush application, highlighting, eyebrows, long-lasting makeup tip. First, use baby skin cream.
Alleyway choir, sing the truth behind the lies. Broken glass mirrors, the dreams left for dead.
Then use HD foundation.
Just a story that the old heads fed. Concrete jungle sermon spilling in the veins. Blood rivers flowing through urban chains. Skyscrapers whisper the secrets they hold. Above and below, the streets stay cold.
Then use banana dream.
Ticking symphony, dangerous baseline. Rats scurry faster, chasing shadowed lifelines. Moonlight hits the metal, chrome sparks glow. Temptation lingers, heavy where the shadows grow. Block wars wage where the cracks reveal scars. Currency exchanged in the shells of old cars. Young kings crowned with crowns made of sin. Pawn shops thrive, dreams locked deep within. Fast hands feed the slow with the devil's grip.
Then use Revolution Rock.
With power skip. Jazz in the back alleys narrates the decay. Trumpets echoing where the lost souls stay. Concrete jungle sermon spilling in the veins. Blood rivers flowing through urban chains. Skyscrapers whisper the secrets they hold. Above and below, the streets stay cold.
Use eyeliner. Use lips combo. At last, use Milani. Ready your makeup. If you want more video, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.